Think about this. Every single day, billions of people turn to Google to answer their questions. But here's the catch: 90% of websites never get seen because they don't rank on the first page. If your website is sitting in that invisible zone, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a step by step beginner's guide to SEO in 2025. Stick around till the end because I will share the exact tools and strategies you need to get your site noticed. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is simply a process of making Google suggest your website to people. Imagine the internet as the biggest library in the world. Google is the librarian, and your website is a book. If your book has the right label, the librarian can easily hand it to the people looking for it. Better label is equal to more readers. Why SEO is so important in 2025? Here's why SEO is a game changer. First, competition is very high. Millions of new sites are launched every year. Second, over 90% of online experiences still begin with a search. Third, unlike ads, SEO brings in free traffic day after day. And lastly, when people see your site on the first page, it builds instant trust. Types of SEO. Now let's break SEO into three main pillars. On-page SEO. This is all about optimizing what's on your website: keywords, titles, headings, images, and your content quality. Off-page SEO. This focuses on building your site's authority. The main way to do this: backlinks, links from other websites that point to yours. Technical SEO. This is the behind the scenes stuff, making your site fast, mobile friendly, and easy for Google to crawl. Today I will cover the three main types of SEO. But if you would like me to make a dedicated video on all the other types, just drop a comment below. I would love to make that for you. Keyword research. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. In 2025, it's not about stuffing your page with keywords. It's about understanding search intent. Here's what you should do. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush. Target long tail keywords instead of just running shoes. Try best running shoes for flat feet 2025 and always check what your competitors are ranking for. Creating SEO friendly content. Once you have your keywords, it's time to create content. But remember, you are writing for people first, search engines second. Keep these tips in mind. Use your keywords naturally in your title, heading, and content. Break up your content with short paragraphs, bullet points, and visuals. Add internal links to guide visitors deeper into your site. And don't forget to update older content to keep it fresh. Tools. To make your SEO journey easier, here are some beginner friendly tools. Google Analytics. Track your visitors and traffic sources. Search Engine Console. See how your site performs on Google. Yoast SEO. If you are on WordPress, perfect for optimizing content. SEMrush. Great for keyword and competitor analysis. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let's quickly cover some mistakes beginner often make. Don't stuff your content with keywords. It looks spammy. Don't ignore mobile optimization. Most users are on their phones. Don't skip meta titles and descriptions. They matter. And don't forget to track your results. SEO is all about testing and tweaking. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a like. And if you want to keep learning, tap on the video right here about digital marketing for beginners. I will see you there.